Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP50 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Start of opening settings calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add our event, but I must find calendar there. And we can change view for a month to be easy to add and tap on day, as I say, maybe 28, and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. In this part you can add this event to group about what is it, about our PC, house, calendar, events or something like that. There we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, or we can set will be all day event, repeat of that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start, add location of that notification, and you can add more than one notification and make custom notification to that. There we can add color about what is it to our notification to this event, description and attachment, and after you set all you need, press save and you have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!